Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear educarians. I hope you all are doing well and taking good care of yourself. From the Educators Online Support System, I am your science teacher and today I am here to deliver the final term lesson number 7 and today our topic is syllabus review. As our final term syllabus has been completed, so now the educators have decided to provide a short review of SMART syllabus. So dear students, I hope you all are ready. So let's begin. So dear students, this one is the title page of your science book and this one is the content page, and in this content we have done the unit number 4, chapter number 9, chemicals and chemical changes, and from unit number 5, physical science, we have done the chapter number 12, light, reflection, mirrors and lenses. So dear students, you all know that we have completed the unit number 4, matter and materials, chapter number 9, chemical and chemical changes. And in this chapter, we have discussed the substance and there are different types of substance, like what is substance? Any material with a specific chemical composition is called a substance, and there are two types of substance, pure substance and mixture. Chemical formula. What is chemical formula? Chemical formula represents the total number of atoms in an element, like H2O, in which this formula represents the 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen is involved. Then we have discussed the chemical changes, in which we have discussed the reactant and products. The reacting substance is called a reactant, and when a reactant react together, after that the product is formed. So dear students, in a unit number 4 and chapter number 9, we have also discussed the different types and characteristics of chemical reactions. There are 4 types of chemical reactions we have discussed. First one is combination reaction, second one decomposition reaction, third one displacement reaction, and the fourth one is precipitation reaction. After that we have discussed the rusting. What is rusting? When a reddish brown layer exists on an iron is called a rusting, and the chemical formula of rusting is iron oxide. What is crystallization? The geometrical shape of any element is called a crystallization. So dear students, this one is the outline from your science book of chapter number 9. So firstly, from book we have done the reading and internal objective from now you know. And from exercise we have done the part A and B on book. Then part C from question number 1 till 10. Then we have done the part D, question number 1 till 5 on notebook. After that, at the last, we have done the worksheet of chapter number 9. So dear students, after completed the chapter number 9, we have done the unit number 5, physical science, and chapter number 12, light, reflection, mirrors and lenses. And in this chapter, we have discussed the rectilinear propagation of light. Means, when a light travels in a straight line, this propagation is called a rectilinear propagation of light. After that, we have discussed the reflection of light. What is reflection? The bouncing back of light from any smooth shiny surface or a reflected surface is called a reflection of light, and reflection must be shown on a smooth shiny surface like water, mirror, glass, etc. Then incidence ray and reflected ray. Incidence ray is that a ray that is strike to any smooth shiny surface, and a reflected ray is that a ray that is bounced back after reflected striking to us any smooth shiny surface. This one is called a reflected ray. In a chapter number 12, we have also discussed the plane mirrors, spherical mirrors. There are two types of mirrors, convex mirror and concave mirrors. Then we have discussed the real and a virtual image. Real image is data image that can be taken on a screen is called a real image, and a virtual image is data image that can't be taken on a screen is called a virtual image. Then we have discussed the uses of mirrors in our daily life, like convex mirror uses in our daily life and concave mirror uses in our daily life. So dear students, in our chapter number 12, we have also discussed the convex lens and concave lens. Convex lens are those lenses which are thicker at the center and thinner at the edges, and convex lens also called a converging lens. Concave lens are those lenses which are thinner at the center and thicker at the edges, and concave lens also called a diverging lens. After that, we have discussed the prism. Prism is a triangular shaped glass which has two inclined plane surfaces. When a white light is fall on a prism, after that the white light split into the 7 colors. Then we have to discuss the Newton disk. So dear students, this one is the outline from your science book of chapter number 12. And from book we have done the reading and internal objective from now you know. Then from exercise we have done part A and B on book. Part C question number 1 till 10 on your notebook. And then we have done the worksheet of chapter number 12. So dear students, I hope today's lesson was helpful for you and you all have understood all the points carefully. So take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.